Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. I use my 1-inch Conair curling wand and it's pretty self-explanatory what I do. It's nothing crazy, but I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I have a hair clip here. I'm just going to section off my hair. So I'm going to put the top part up. I'm just going to section it up like this. Brush this hair out. So I always start with like the back pieces. I don't use the clamp. Every single time I've ever tried to use the clamp, I always have like a crimp in my hair. If you guys have any tips for that, leave them in the comment section. But what I do is I just put the stand down and I just take it behind my head and I just wrap the hair around. I just hold it there for like 15 seconds. I do usually go away from my face with pretty much all the pieces of hair. I know some people like to alternate it, like one piece going towards the face, one piece going away. I normally just curl it away from my face. And then that's, there you go. And then that's just what it looks like. It's pretty easy, like I said, it's nothing crazy, but this is how I do it. And when I posted my quarantine makeup routine, which I will leave linked down below if you guys want to check that out, but when I posted that, I did get a question on how I curl my hair, so I figured I would just show you guys. I actually don't know why I decided to wear a long sleeve shirt today. It's almost 70 degrees out, so I'm sweating right now. We're just gonna do the other side, same way. So again, wrapping away from my face, and I always leave a little bit of hair out on the end. I don't like when the ends are super curly. Okay, that's the bottom section done. I also don't brush out my curls right away. I kind of just let them sit. I don't touch them. I don't do anything with them. I also wanted to mention that I do leave my hair curler on the highest setting. So this goes up to 25, so I have it on 25, and I also have it on turbo, so it heats up really quick. is the finished look. I kind of just gently brush it out with my fingers. Okay, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.